Hello guys, now we shall be discussing about Tinea Pedis. Tinea Pedis. Okay, so this particular Tinea Pedis is also called as athlete's foot. Okay, this is also called as athlete's foot. Tinea Pedis is also called as athlete's foot. Now in this Tinea Pedis also we have to discuss the few important things as we have discussed previously. That is, one is regarding the location. Where is the location of the lesion that is present, and what is a characteristic feature in the lesion? Characteristic feature in the lesion, right? Apart from location and characteristic lesion, we should also discuss the risk factors. Okay, the risk factors, and finally we shall be discussing the treatment plan. So regarding the location, where is this most commonly location present? Most commonly it is located in the feet. Most commonly it is located in the feet. What is the characteristic type of the lesion? Either the lesion is present in between two fingers in the foot region, either the lesion is present in between two fingers, or it is present on the plantar surface. Okay, so on the foot region there. So on the foot region it is present in between the fingers, that is interdigital. Either it is a interdigital feet infection, point number 1. Point number 2 is that either there can be a plantar erythema, okay, and sometimes you will also find some vesicles there as well as pustules. Vesicles and pustules. So let us look at the pictures. So this is interdigital, you see, in between the digits, and this is plantar erythema. So on the plantar region like this. Okay, now let us look at the risk factors. What are the risk factors? The risk factors are, one is occlusive footwear, and the second important risk factor is if your feet are in the warm and the moist environment, right? Warm and moist environment. These are the two risk factors. Treatment is again the same. So treatment will be topical antifungals. Okay, so this is the treatment, and these are the risk factors, and this is a characteristic feature of the rash, and this is the location. So you need to remember the pictures, because in the exams mostly pictures are asked. So these are all the important things which you need to remember regarding Tinea Pedis, that is the athlete's foot. So thank you so much for watching my video. Goodbye.